Over the past 2 decades, bale wrapping has grown to be a highly popular forage conservation system. By completely covering bales of grass in pre-stretched film, the wrapped bale becomes an airtight container in which anaerobic fermentation can take place. With the all-new bale processor, the farmer can produce high-density round bales and wrap them immediately, ensuring top-quality silage ready for storage in one integrated compact machine. The main features of the Tanco Bale Processor 2050 include integrated baling and wrapping machine, bale silage, hay and straw, bale size 130 centimeters diameter by 120 centimeters width, integrated pickup and chopper, extremely compact and maneuverable, no bigger than a conventional baler, fully automatic operation, operator friendly, no camera or monitors required. Tanco is the first company in the world to present a truly integral baler and wrapper, which achieves respectable work rates in silage. Combining the tasks of baling and wrapping in one machine, the bale processor has achieved outputs of more than 35 1.3-meter diameter bales per hour. Bearing in mind that these bales are 17% larger than the conventional 1.2-meter bales, this work rate equates to over 40 conventional bales per hour. This rate not only matches the existing combis, but has the distinct advantages of compactness and maneuverability. The bale processor is no bigger than a conventional baler. Its compact dimensions make it a versatile tool that can also operate without any change as a normal fixed chamber baler. Its design makes it more maneuverable than existing combi or inline machines, suiting it to hilly ground. What is most impressive about the Tanco Bale Processor is that while it carries out the tasks of both machines with great efficiency, it is simpler in operation than many of the combi machines on the market. Because the bale is wrapped in the baling chamber, it requires a minimal amount of net and has none of the bale transfer problems experienced by some combi machines. The bale processor sequences are operated automatically from an electronic controller mounted in the cab. The program works in sequence, but allows the operator to stop the cycle at any given time. The bale is made in the normal fixed chamber fashion, whereby net is wrapped around its circumference to hold it together. The top half of the machine then rises on a mast, leaving the bale exposed on the bottom rollers, which turn it around on its circumference. An arm rotating around the outside of the machine, carrying 2 film dispensers, wraps the bale. When wrapping is complete, the film is cut and held. The 4 rear rollers lower to form a ramp, and the bale rolls out onto the ground.